Is it Jesus Christ who created the world, or is God himself that created the world? That's my question, sir.
Genesis chapter 1, and we're looking at verse 1. It says, in the beginning God created the heaven and the earth. Obviously, when you read a translation of the Bible, there are things you might not understand immediately. When it says, in the beginning God created the heavens and the heaven and the earth. The Old Testament was originally written in Hebrews, and then the New Testament written in Greek. This word God is Elohim. And as you look at the word Elohim that appears so many times, even in Genesis chapter 1, as you look at it from verse to verse to verse, to find God and God and God, mentioning God. And every time that word is used is Elohim, which is in the plural. The singular is El, E-L. And that's why you find El Shaddai, or you find Emmanuel. You know, what ends with El, that means it ends with God. Daniel, Emmanuel, Gabriel, El, ending, that is God. Like you say, a man of God. The final word, the final thing there will be El. Or say a child of God, final thing there will be El. Or you're saying the power of God, final thing there will be El. Now, come back to verse 1. In the beginning, God, that is Elohim, which is in the plural. It says, created the heaven and the earth. And for you to know that that is in the plural, I'm coming to that same chapter. We're looking at chapter 1, verse 26. And God said, let us make man. Elohim said, let us make man. You can see the plural right there. Even though you've not studied Hebrews, you can see that this is talking about a uniplural word. It's talking about the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. And it says the three are one. Look at it in verse 26 now. God said, let us make man in our own image, and after our likeness. You see the plural every time there. It's us, it's our, and then it says, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the air, and over the cattle, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creepeth upon the earth. So God created man. It says, let us. And then it says, an Elohim, the plural God. It says, created man in his own image. And then in the image of God created he him. Male and female created he them. And so you find what the Lord is saying there. But then the brother has a question, went to chapter 2, and he's talking about the creation of man.